The immediate tie-off button that is on the Pfaff Ambition 610 has a couple different ways to be used. I have to confess, it takes me a little time to be reminded of how to use this button, but once you start using it on a regular basis, trust me, you're going to love it. So it is an immediate locking stitch. So whether you want it on demand, like at any time while you're sewing, it goes up and down in the similar hole with a little back and forth, not as much as if you use the reverse button. So that's the difference. So if you just want to go back and forth, use the reverse button as normally planned. But if you are coming to an end of a seam and you just want some basic little locking stitches and for it to stop, this will be what you want to use. If you're coming to the end of a row of stitches and you want it to, decorative stitches, and you want it to complete the decorative stitch, then lock it and stop, I want to show you how that is. So as we touch it during when we are sewing or not sewing, you're going to get different results. So for example, I'm just on a straight stitch. Oh, I was pushing the button. Okay, so if I'm on a straight stitch and I just touch it, it does that little lock, 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 and then stops. My foot is still on the foot control. So if you just go ahead and start again, push it while you're sewing, instant lock, wherever you are within a stitch. So for example, let's just go over to stitch number 77. This is a decorative stitch. So let's just say we're sewing along. Maybe you just want it to lock. It doesn't matter that it finishes. Again, just push it, immediately starts to lock and stops. But the problem is that you stop somewhere halfway in the stitch. So let me show you how you can use it the other way. So let's say you're sewing along, okay, and we want to finish this row of stitches somewhere towards the end of our fabric. Stop sewing, touch the immediate tie-off button, and look, now you get a little light underneath this symbol. This symbol reminds me of like a pattern with a line at the end of it, meaning I'm going to stop at the end. So what you can do is while you're sewing, touch the reverse button now, and it will finish the pattern to its very end, then do the lock and the stop. Lift your foot off the foot control and then pull it out, and you'll notice you are right at the end of the pattern. So that's nice, especially when you're doing something like the hearts or something where you don't want a half of a heart. Let's do 97. So let's do this. We're going to turn the immediate tie-off button on before we start. You could sew a whole row of this. You could even push the start-stop button and let it stitch. And then when you get close to the end, because we've lit up this light, touch the reverse button at any time. It will finish the heart, lock it off for you, and again, nobody wants half of a heart. So there's our perfect row of stitches finished out. Now, you've probably seen me talk and heard me talk about our Pfaff Stitching Cosmos online course, where we do a lot of decorative stitches. And trust me, when you need to be locking at the end of those stitches so it doesn't come out, this becomes a button that you are very familiar with. So check out the links below this YouTube video on all of our Stitching Cosmos information and 10 free videos you can watch and see what it's all about.